How can I choose the right hair color to enhance the whiteness of my skin tone?
Hello there. Today we're going to discuss a fascinating aspect of personal styling: how to select the right hair color to complement and enhance your white skin tone. By considering several key factors, we can find a hue that makes your natural beauty shine.
Understanding your undertones.
The first step in choosing the right hair color is understanding your skin's undertones. Even with a white skin tone, there are cool, warm, or neutral undertones. Look at the veins on your wrist. If they appear blue or purple, you have cool undertones. Green veins indicate warm undertones, and if it's hard to tell, you likely have neutral undertones.
Complementary colors for cool undertones.
If you have cool undertones, ashy, silver, or platinum hair colors can be a perfect fit. These hues can enhance the natural blue or pink undertones in your skin and make your complexion look brighter. Avoid warm or golden colors as they can clash with your skin tone and make it appear dull.
Complementary colors for warm undertones.
For those with warm undertones, golden, caramel, or honey tones can work wonders. These shades bring out the natural warmth in your skin and create a harmonious look. Avoid hair colors with blue or violet bases as they can make your skin look washed out.
Complementary colors for neutral undertones.
If you have neutral undertones, you're in luck. You can experiment with a wide range of hair colors, from cool to warm tones. Consider your eye color, natural hair color, and personal style preferences when deciding.
Consider other factors.
While skin undertone is a major factor, remember to also consider your natural hair color, eye color, and personal style. A hair color that aligns with your overall style and personality will make you feel more confident and comfortable. Choosing the right hair color to complement your skin tone is part science, part art. By understanding your skin's undertones and considering all aspects of your appearance, you can find the perfect shade that not only enhances your skin's whiteness but also brings out your unique beauty. Remember, it's all about highlighting your natural features and feeling confident in your own skin.